Cheshire Cat says supposed to go this way, or was it that way, or don't quite turn around? Hey, Tea Party, how lovely, I'm quite hungry.
Twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder where you're at. Up above the world so high, like a tea tray in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle. No room. No room.
There's plenty of room.
Have some wine?
I don't see any wine.
There isn't any.
Then it wasn't very civil of you to offer it.
And it wasn't very civil of you to sit down without being invited.
There's places a great many more than 3, and I've been walking a long way, so I thought you might.
Your hair wants cutting.
Gracious, you should learn how to not make personal remarks. It's very rude, and you should hold your teacup decently.
Why is a raven like a writing desk?
Is it a riddle? I believe I could guess that.
Do you mean you know the answer to it?
Exactly so.
Then you should say what you mean.
I do. At least I mean what I say. That's the same thing, you know.
Not the same thing one bit. Why, you just might as well say, I eat what I see is the same thing as I see what I eat.
You might just as well say, I get what I like is the same thing as, I like what I get is the same thing as I get what I like.
You might just as well say, I breathe when I sleep is the same thing as I sleep when I breathe.
It is the same thing with you.
Words mean what you want them to say. That's what the Cheshire Cat said.
Did he?
Well,
Might have a piece of cake.
What day of the month is it?
The 4th.
2 days wrong. I told you butter wouldn't suit the works.
You put butter on this watch?
it was the best butter.
Of course, right when I was about to remark myself.
Butter belongs on a biscuit.
Have you guessed the riddle yet?
No, I give up. What sounds like?
I haven't the slightest idea.
Nor I.
Honestly. You should line. You might do something. Honestly, you might do something better than asking me to visit it for a riddle.
If you knew time as well as I do, then you wouldn't talk about wasting its time. It's him.
What?
I dare say you've never even spoken to time. If you were on good terms with him, then you...
He'd do almost anything.
You do almost anything.
You like with the...
You'd do almost anything you'd like with the clock.
Really, what does time look like? You talk to him?
Not I. We quarreled last March just before he went mad, you know. It was a concert given by the Queen of Hearts.
One, two, three. No, he sung for the Queen.
Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
Little Bat. You know the song, perhaps?
I heard something like that.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
of my garden.
The Queen of my garden said that.
I hardly finished the first verse before the Queen called out, "He's murdering time! Off with his head!"
Dreadfully savage.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, dreadfully savage. Dreadfully savage. Alice.
It's the Queen of fully savage, that is.
Indeed.
But here,
Indeed, but here it's always 6 o'clock. change.
March Hare, no. It's always 6 o'clock. You say something after she says that.
Oh yeah, tea time. No time to wash things between.
Is that why you keep changing places? Is that why you guys keep changing places?
Exactly so.
Do it. Stop being so smart.
Oh, stop being so smart. You might learn something.
Oh, what if it happens in the beginning again?
You're thinking again.
I have a right to.
Suppose we change the subject.
Oh, suppose we change the subject. Tell us a story who you are.
I'm Alice, and when I got up this morning, I've changed several times since then.
Oh, wake up, Dormouse.
No, Mad Hatter. Take some more.
Oh, take some more tea. I haven't had any, so I can't take more.
You mean you can't take less? It's very easy to take more than nothing.
Wake up, Dormouse. Tell us a story. Do you want him to tell us a story?
Sure.
No, Alice. I want to play.
Oh, I want to play cricket with the queen.
Once upon a time, there were 3 sisters, and they lived in a well.
How can they live in a well?
It was a trickle well.
What's a trickle?
Molasses.
Molasses.
Oh, there's no such thing as a trickle.
Oh, shh. Mind your manners.
If you can't be civil, you might as well finish the story yourself.
Carry on.
So these 3 sisters, they were learning all manners of things that start with the letter M.
Okay. Turn the page.
Why not? I don't know.
Keep your temper. Fly.
Mouse traps.
Muskrats, the moon, memories, and muchness.
Have you ever seen a John and the Muchness?
No.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
Somebody else says again. I can't read it. The script's torn, so.
I think you should talk.
Then you shouldn't talk.
Somebody should be being drug off.
Why is everything so confusing here? Why is everything so confusing here?
Somebody's supposed to be being drug off by the corners of the cloth, but suddenly all 3 freeze. I can't read it. I don't know what it is. Alice, what do you say?
What's happening?
Okay, we're over here now. Dormouse.
Chloe, what are you doing here?
I know. I'm Alice. Alice.
I don't know. I don't
Oh,
know.
I don't know. I don't know. I know I'm Alice. Alice, and I want to go home right now, this instant. I'm tired of living upside down. I must go to the door. No, but the door. I must fit. I must.